Seeing their predicament, Ellie offered her help. She used her strong trunk to reach up high into the trees, gently picking the perfect twigs and leaves for the little birds. With her assistance, the birds quickly finished building their nests. From that day on, Ellie's act of kindness spread throughout the jungle, and all the animals felt even more grateful for having such a caring friend. The moral of the story: helping others can make a big difference in their lives and bring joy to your own heart.